Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. In this short video I'll be inspecting engine air filter. If you wanna see how I deal with that, stay with me in this video. Engine air filter housing is located in engine bay and it's right here. I'm going to start this service by loosening this clamp, which is holding the intake pipe to the airbox. The clamp is loose, so I should be able to move it this way. And it's true. Nice. I will continue with disconnecting this wire harness from the box. Right, so that's done this way. And I'm putting it on the side. I will continue with loosening two 8mm bolts, one here and one here. Both bolts are loose, but I'm keeping them in that cover. And now I should be able, towards here, should be able to open that housing. And now I can get the engine air filter out. Wow, here you go. If you look with me in the detail, looking between these fins, there is a minimum dirt. And I will say this engine air filter is in pretty good shape. This side is perfectly clean, so I will not replace it this time, and it will serve for a little bit longer. You can also wiggle this housing a little bit more, and actually it will nicely separate. You will have access to inside. And I can see obviously a bunch of dust inside of the housing, so I will bring my vacuum and get rid of it. Now the airbox is perfectly clean inside, and that's one of the advantages doing this simple maintenance by yourself. The technician in the dealership will never have a time to deal with it. Also, if you want and your filter is only slightly dirty, you can use the same vacuum, carefully vacuum the dirt from between the fins. Just have to make sure you don't make a hole in it. So everything is cleaned and I can start putting it inside, right? Installation. I have to first install those on here, and the secondary are the bolts. So, first, alright, they are in, yes, and now it's perfectly sitting on the bottom of the airbox. The next step is tighten these two bolts, one here and second there. I will install back all these parts of wiring harness, that it's nicely attached again, right, and everything is correctly in the place. And I will finish with this intake tube. Of course, I have to not forget to tighten that clamp as it was when I was starting this little service. And after I'm done, I always recheck everything to see that I didn't pull anything off or everything is perfectly installed, right? I grab all my tools and the little maintenance service is finished. I really hope you find this video helpful, and please stay tuned because I have way more videos on this MiniCooper Garage coming your way soon. Thanks for watching today and have a wonderful day.